Let's capture this moment. And may I please invite Mr. Jimmy Cheng, Director, Smart Screen category, on stage along with Mr. Lakshmana Kumar, Director of Retail and Marketing, Mr. Milinti, Director, Offline Sales, and Mr. Henry, E-Commerce Operations. Let's capture this moment. It's such a thrilling moment, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Let's give the gentlemen a big round of applause, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us on stage. This unforgettable moment. Thank you so much for joining us. Well, friends, I think the energy in the room is unmatchable. Rohit, first of all, let's have you right in the center. Everybody, come on. He deserves a big hand. With me, I am pleased to have the man who needs no introduction, a sports icon, inspiration to millions, and our brand ambassador. One more time, let's hear it for Rohit Sharma.
Thank you.
Rohit, thank you so much for joining us here, and the way we did the launch was phenomenal. Wow, that was the star moment. How are you feeling being a part of this?
Oh, absolutely brilliant. It has never happened before in India, and something like this nobody has seen in India. So I'm quite honored to be part of this event and launch it and put it out there for our nation to use it.
Absolutely, it's the biggest and the best, just like you. Well, today we would also have an opportunity for some of our winners to join us on stage. So friends, this is your time. This is your moment to be here on stage with Rohit himself. Well, we have our valued partners here with us and who have played a pivotal role in TCL's success. So now I'd like to invite them on stage. I have a small request to make. When you come on stage, please don't take selfies with Rohit. We have a lot of cameramen here. You can have your friends click pictures from your phone, but don't stay back to take selfies. Thank you so much. Well, with that, let's begin the certification ceremony, ladies and gentlemen. First up, I'd like to invite on stage Flipkart India Private Limited. Let's give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much for supporting us.
Yeah.
All your hard work and your support means a lot to us. Coming up next, may I please invite Dawn Tech Electronics. Congratulations. Next, I'd like to invite Reliance Retail Limited. Let's hear it for Reliance Retail Limited. Congratulations. And next up, I'd like to invite Infinity Retail Limited on stage. Congratulations. Coming up next, Shivalik Distribution Private Limited. To all our valued partners, I hope we've done something to make you feel special. And now I'd like to invite Reliable Home Appliances. Please put your hands together for Reliable Home Appliances. Coming up next, please welcome Saffron Trade Link. Ladies and gentlemen, Saffron Trade Link. And next we have Matrix Distribution Private Limited. Please welcome Matrix Distribution. And next we'd like to invite Touchstone Teleservices Private Limited. Let's hear it for Touchstone Teleservices. Okay, they're not here with us. Opportunity for you to be on stage with Rohit Sharma. All right, let's give our first winner a big round, Rohit, for being the first customer who owns this massive TV that everybody is looking forward to owning. Let's celebrate this moment, ladies and gentlemen. First proud owner.
So absolutely thrilled about it. I now need to get a bigger room to put that TV in. My room is not that big to put a 115-inch, but we'll make some provision, no problems.
Well, you know, TCL has been talking about we will transport the TV and install it. I think we should also make provision for the space now. All right, so one more question. Everybody is a massive fan, and you've got millions of fans. So what message would you like to give to our lovely audience about your success, about something that would inspire them?
Instead, I think I don't mind answering if they have anything to ask me. Rather than me giving them a message or saying anything about my success or failure, I would let them ask if they want to ask anything about it.
Well, this can't get any better. Guys, we're going to give you this opportunity, and Rohit has been so sporty that he's ready to answer your questions. Let's do that. We're going to have 3 questions. Let's circulate the mic. Put your hands up. First up, we have Rajiv. How can we not take a question from Rajiv himself?
Hi, Rohit. Good seeing you again. So my first question is that now you have a 115-inch TV. What's the first thing you're going to watch on it other than cricket?
Other than cricket?
That's important, other than cricket.
Look, I love watching TV shows, so probably that. Or maybe sit with my children and watch some cartoon or something.
Okay. मेरा भी YouTube channel है, उसको इस पे आ जाता है वैसे वो.
वो देख लेंगे.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Rajiv, that was a smart one, promoting himself. Okay, any more questions?
No problem.
The lady over there. Okay. Let's give a chance to the ladies because I like the way they blush when they talk to Rohit.
Hi Rohit, this is Riya from TCL family. So obviously I'm from TCL, so I'll promote TCL only. You have very big, followers and everywhere. So would you recommend TCL to your loved ones so that we get more and more customers?
100%. There's no question about it.
Thank you so much.
100%.
Well, he's the brand ambassador. Of course, he'll be promoting it.
It's my job.
It's his job. Absolutely, it's his job. Okay. All right, one last question. Anybody? Put your hands up. Let's look around. Anybody has an interesting question, guys? Come on. Okay, can we give it to this gentleman over here? He's loud enough. Okay.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, I'll try my best to do that. Yeah, they're not able to see these days yet.
You know what, Rohit? These questions are getting very interesting. Let's give them all a big round of applause. Thank you so much for those fun questions. Now it's time for our TCL employees to get this opportunity to be on stage with Rohit. So let's give our employees a big round of applause for all the hard work they put in. Please join us on stage for a group picture. Well, I think I deserve one too. I'm an exception. Thank you.